Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very special stitch and a beautiful stitch called Sprig Stitch, and it is constructed just with single crochets and chains, and it gives a beautiful texture. It is a very good stitch to break up large sections of larger, less stable stitches, and it is associated with fans and shells, but yet it is worked with single crochets and chains and gives a good texture to the fabric that you create. This requires multiples of multiples of 4 plus 2 chains plus 1 extra chain as the foundation chains. Okay, I have made this piece with Barbie Pink Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill medium weight 4 yarn with color code 2036, and I will be demonstrating also with the same yarn. So let me make the required number of chains and get back to you. And to make this swatch I had used 5.5 mm Clover Amor hook, and the same hook I am going to demonstrate to you. I have made multiples of 4, that is 3 multiples of 4, 12 plus 3 chains, 2 plus 1, 3 chains. Now row 1 begins with 2 SC in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook to make 2 single crochets. Purposely I am not working in the back bumps. Sorry. Work 2 single crochets in the 4th chain. Now chain 2, 2 SC in the next chain. Skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, 2 SC in the next, 2 single crochets. Again chain 2, 2 single crochet in the adjacent chain, next chain. Skip 2 chains, 2 single crochet in the next. Hope I have made 2 single crochets in each of them. Yes, sometimes I forget. Then again chain 2, 2 single crochets in the next one. That is, your row 1 is, you work 2 single crochets in the 4th chain from the hook, and then in the adjacent you made 2 chains in the adjacent stitch, that is the next to that chain, you made 2 single crochets, skipped 2 chains and 2 single crochets, then chain 2, 2 single crochets in the next chain, skip 2 chains, 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets. Now we are left with 2 chains, last 2 chains. Skip 1 chain and place a single crochet in the last chain here. So this is row 1 done. For row 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then in the chain 2 space you are going to make 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochets, 1. So it's basically 2 single crochet V stitch with chain 2 spacing, and again no extra chains, directly go to the next chain 2 space, work 2 single crochets. So this is a very interesting stitch. Chain 2, 2 single crochets, again in the next chain 2 space 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets, and place 1 single crochet in the turning chain here. So pick up the V under V of the turning chain and place a single crochet. Now you need to repeat row 2 for the pattern. I shall repeat the pattern once. So chain 3 and turn 1, 2 and 3, and you're going to work only in chain 2 spaces. You're going to place 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets. Again in the next chain 2 space, 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets. My hold on the hook is very light, that is why it skips sometimes. I hold it as though I hold the feather. So it's feather touch, feather hold for me. And then in the turning chain you place a single crochet here. So again chain 3, sorry, I placed it in the edges and not here. The second chain from the hook, from the turning chain. So the 3 chains that you're doing is actually a single crochet and chain 2, you can have it, or a half double and a chain 1, whatever you want. I'm going with the pattern. I'm going to chain 3. It works fine for me. And again, this is the pattern repeat. 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets, again in the next chain 2 space, 2 single crochets. The pattern gets set. The final product and final project looks as though it has been worked with complicated stitches, but it is the simplest of simple stitches we are working with. And again the second chain, place a single crochet. This is how it looks, and this is a reversible pattern. So once this is the swatch. As I told you, once we complete the pattern or make the project, the stitches look very complicated, as though we have made this project with complicated stitches, but the stitches are too simple for words. We are using only the basic single crochet and the chains. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, the stitch too, and do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload. Have a great day friends. I'll be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.